new wig from one of my favorites. This is a new wig from ISEE Hair. This is their block wig packaging. It looks like a Lego like blocks. And let's open up and see what's inside. It looks so cute already. Ooh. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Really cute. Let's start with this one here. It's so cute. How cute is this? So this is the wig band. A little elastic band for your wig. You have some eyelashes and a wig cap. So this is Block R. It has like a skin-like kind of fabric here. Then you have your lace just right up top right here. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to give like a natural hairline. Then you do have combs here and here. And it actually has a zipper right there in the back. So now we have our last box. So there were 2 pouches in the last big box. Okay. Right off the bat, the hair looks amazing. The hair feels super good, just like the closure did too. The hair felt amazing. I think this attaches to the closure because it has the zipper part right at the top as well. There's no lace on this part. And then you do have a comb and an elastic band in the back. And then there's like some clips here. Pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. And here is the wig. So this one is constructed differently than this one here. It does not have that skin-like material. It just has the lace. This is complete lace. You do have combs here on the side, and then you do have the zipper and an elastic band. So this mimics like a normal wig, but the difference is that it has the zipper to attach to this part. So I'm not really sure how to install this, so I am gonna read this quick tutorial and tips inside. Definitely need this because I have never used anything like this. It's so different. The packaging was definitely really cute though. But let's see what they're saying to do. You get 3 pieces of your wig and you can do many different styles. So it's just a beginner's guide. It looks really straightforward. This is the one that I am really excited to try. So I'm gonna try this one first. Let me cut this off. It just came with a little tag. But that's pretty cool. You can really have like 2 wigs in one. Literally 2 wigs in one. So that is cool. That'll be more cost effective. But let's see. I'm gonna tell you if it's actually easy to attach these or if it is not. Okay, so first thing I'm doing is I flip the 2 wigs inside out so that they can meet up to actually zip up. There is a hook and a loop. So a hook on the frontal and a loop on the back. I'm gonna hook mine together first. Velcro, you Velcro that part down to the other unit. So it looks pretty secure already, and the wigs are not even zipped up. So now I'm gonna zip them up. Now the wig looks normal. Wow, okay, so here we go. This is what the wig looks like. But let me show you how it looks on the inside, zipped in together. Looks pretty good. It looks totally normal. Honestly, it looks super normal. It looks like a regular wig. It doesn't feel any different than any other type of wig. Fit of this unit is really nice. I have a larger head, so a lot of wigs actually don't fit my head, but this wig is fitting really well. It's laying really flat already too. Yeah, I think it's doing good. It's doing really good. It's laying really flat. The hair feels amazing. Yeah. Okay, let's try the other frontal. This is the glueless fit, and it has the skin-like material sewn into the wig. Same thing, hair feels really good. The wig is actually laying really flat, and it's glueless, so I won't have to do much to it at all.